In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the devices currently logged into your Proton Mail account. This is an essential task for maintaining the security of your email, ensuring that only you have access to your private communications. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you know exactly how to do it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Proton Mail website. Simply type in the URL or search for Proton Mail if you're unsure. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main inbox page. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a settings icon there, which might look like a gear or toggle. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find a selection labeled All Settings. Click on this to access the full range of settings available to you in Proton Mail. With the settings page now open, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you will see various categories, but what you're looking for specifically is labeled Security and Privacy. Click on that and it will take you to a detailed page dedicated to these crucial aspects of your account. Once you're on the Security and Privacy page, scroll down until you find an area titled Session Management. This section is key to our task today, as it provides a comprehensive view of all devices currently logged in to your Proton Mail account. Here, you'll see a list of active sessions, which includes details like the device type, location, and the time of the last activity. This information is invaluable for identifying any unfamiliar devices or locations that might indicate unauthorized access. If you do spot something suspicious or simply want to tighten your security, Proton Mail offers the option to end any session directly from this page. This means you can log out of any device remotely, ensuring that your account remains secure. And there you have it, a straightforward way to monitor and manage the devices logged into your Proton Mail. Remember, regularly checking the devices logged in is a great habit to develop, as it helps in keeping your information safe from any potential threats. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maintaining your online security. Thanks for watching and take care.